Happy Wednesday and welcome back to my channel. Okay, this is the fourth week of the 28-day gut health 30 plant challenge. Keep in mind this wasn't about trying to turn you into a vegan, but more so about adding live vegetables to your plate. And the key word here is live. Living plants is what's going to contribute to a healthy gut. Plants give you the fiber your gut needs. What is fiber? Fiber is that non-digestible carbohydrate found in plants. It's key to a healthy and happy gut. But what some people don't know is there are over 100 different fibers, and they all have different effects and functions. Let's take into consideration your stool. Soluble fibers dissolve slowly in the gut, creating a thick, jelly-like texture. This slows down the digestion and will help with creating a perfect stool, not too runny, not too hard. It is also associated with lower levels of cholesterol and better blood glucose levels. It is found in oats, broccoli, beans, lentils, peas, and apples. Insoluble fibers adds bulk to the stool, speeding up the passing of food through the gut. It gets things moving. It is found in the skin of fruit and vegetables, and whole grains, seeds, and nuts. During this 28-day gut health 30 plant challenge, you've seen me consume all of this. I don't think I showed you the different nuts I eat. However, I keep a supply of nuts: cashews, almonds, pistachios, walnuts, raisins, cranberry, you name it, is my go-to anytime I feel like I need a snack. The current recommendation is to aim for at least 1 ounce of fiber per day. The average adult gets about half of that daily. Better health has resulted from a higher intake of fiber, around by 1 3/4 ounce a day. Special note here, there's a precaution when increasing the amount of fiber in your diet. First, it should be added gradually to allow the gut to adjust to these changes. Otherwise, the sudden feast in the large intestine might come with some discomfort, such as bloating and gas. See, I know this because it has happened to me. Second, since some fibers will draw a lot of water into the gut, it is important to increase your hydration to avoid cramps. Different types of fiber feed different microorganisms. This means that a diet with a broad range of plants will lead to greater diversity of microbes in the gut. And the greater the gut microbiota diversity, the better the gut health. So why not do something new? This 28-day 30 plant a week challenge consists of fruit, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, legumes, herbs, and spices. If you are still with me on this challenge, let me know how you feel. What changes your body went through in this process? Are you lighter than before, etc.? Let me know. Let us know in the comments. Remember, this is the fourth week, so let's complete this with a bang. Until next time, peace and prosperity. Y'all be safe.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. For books and other spiritual materials, visit www.noistore.com. See you next time.